Okay, after putting the original ECU back in, feel the same miss, and I also have some odd stuff, you know, just like these are pretty reminiscent videos, with a little fluctuation of RPM. Now another odd thing is when I had the, not sure how odd it is, but when I had the Smog Tech check it, he had two different tacks. One was a snap-on, the other one was another top-end one, and then the machine as well, and they all were reading. When I had it at 750 to 800 RPM, his machine was reading 1,000. So it's definitely off on my tack, which I know is, I guess, is not that unusual from what he told me, but and I think I'd show my fuel cut when you hit the brake. When you're over 1,000 RPM, it should just drop dramatically quickly. It does. I'm not sure how well my dash pot's working, but anyway. That's a whole nother story. So, you know, like I said, the Smog Tech had the, watching the tack, he said, you know, anytime I have a bad misfire, or at least one that's really worth looking at, you're going to see a bounce in RPM of, you know, 50, somewhere around there, maybe, you know, but yours is no more than 5 RPM out of 1,700 when he had it up in here, you know. See my RPM needle. Kind of does a and in the pipe I can hear an occasional, you know, pop 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 pop, you know, kind of a, you know, just what I would characterize always with every other 100 vehicles I've had as a miss. You know, I'm going to find out this tank, because last tank I had, you know, I was gunning it a little bit, and it was idling a lot while testing, and then, you know, sitting at the shop, at the smog shop for 20 minutes running and all that, so it's kind of a little bit less accurate, but it was still around 10 miles a gallon. I mean, along that, with the miss, with the little bit of weird idle fluctuation, something weird is going on. Never been able to figure it out. And the only thing that really concerns me at this point, otherwise I would just leave it be, is my cat's getting so hot, you know, getting red hot and burning out cats. That catalytic converters, that's just, you know, that shows. I mean, I know rich or lean, either one can ruin a cat, but from what I know, internal combustion temp being super hot and running lean will burn it out. What I don't get is if I'm running lean all the time, maybe someone could explain to me, forgive me for not knowing, but if I'm running lean more of the time, why would I be getting such terrible mileage? You know, so that's another question I had. But anyway, just thought I'd share this. You know, actually it seems to be a little less of a rumble in the jungle with this ECU, but not much. Definitely still feel it, whatever it is. So that's it.